A plus. My compliments to the chef.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna deal with some squid. Yeah, but what am I going to do with the squids now? I'm gonna make some calamari. Yeah, I'm gonna fry them very crispy and nice in some rings. I'm gonna use a little cornstarch. I'm gonna use a little flour and I'm gonna season them, then flour them, and I'm gonna fry them. So this is what it look like. This is what it look like. Most people would look at this and say, oh, this is nasty, they're not going to eat it. But after I prepare, totally different stuff you're looking at. Yeah, it's really good. I'm not going to use the head. This is the head part of it. I'm not going to use this part. What am I going to do now? I'm going to remove the skin from it. These in rings, right?
Purchase more tracks today. Why don't you place it asleep?
Alright, so I'm just gonna rinse this off. After cutting them, I'm gonna rinse them off. Alright, I'll be adding a little garlic powder. Just a little bit. Then a pinch of salt. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna use a spoon and I'm gonna mix all the seasoning. That is about it. Right. This is the flour. Remember, you don't need a lot of flour. So what I'm gonna add here now, I'm gonna add a little cornstarch into the flour. Just a small amount. I'm gonna add some red pepper. Yeah, just a small amount, just the same. Now I'm gonna mix this. Yeah, mix it in together.